For applications that require precise temperature control during mixing, having a vortex mixer with this capability is essential. Let's explore the importance of temperature control features and how they can benefit your laboratory work. Importance of temperature control. 1. Consistency. Ensures consistent mixing results across different samples and batches. 2. Reproducibility. Facilitates reproducible experiments by maintaining a controlled environment. 3. Sample integrity. Prevents degradation or alteration of heat-sensitive samples. 4. Efficiency. Reduces the need for post-mixing temperature adjustments. Key features. 1. Heating and cooling. Some models offer both heating and cooling capabilities to cover a wide range of temperatures. 2. Precise temperature settings. Allows for precise control over the mixing temperature. 3. Temperature display. Digital displays show real-time temperature readings for accurate monitoring. 4. Programmability. Enables pre-setting of temperature and mixing times for automated processes. By incorporating a vortex mixer with temperature control features, you can enhance the quality and reliability of your experimental results. Want to learn more about our products? Feel free to contact me via email on my homepage, and I will get back to you within 24 hours.